How to remove card from Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your card from Amazon. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to remove your card from Amazon, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and open the Amazon shopping application here. Then once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap this little account icon from here. Once you tap the account icon from here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and just tap the option called your payments, as you can find here. And as you tap on the option called your payments, you're going to be landed on this page where what you need to do is just tap the option called add from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the option called add, you can just add a new card if you want, but if you want to remove your current card details, you can see one of my card. Just tap on the three dots next to that card, tap on the edit button. You'll be able to see the details. Scroll down until you get to this section where it says remove from wallet. Tap on it. It'll ask you for a confirmation, do you want to remove it? So you can go ahead and confirm that if you want to. This is simply how you can go ahead and remove card from Amazon. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.